What's up, guys? It's your boy D Fresh in the building, guys. What we're going to do today, we're going to go over Tuesday's game plan. Before we get into it, I just want to say thank you, guys. I appreciate all the warm, heartfelt messages that you guys sent. I seen them. If I didn't get to you individually, I'm getting to every one of you now. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all the love. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. All right, let's get on to it. Data drop for tomorrow. If you see on Tuesday, we have consumer confidence at 10 a.m. Guys, we know this is a report that can move the markets, but regardless what that report says, we know we wait for a clear direction before we think about getting into a play. Once we see what that direction is, then we pounce. So for everybody else, let's go ahead and let's get into the tickers. Newbies, beginners, I got a couple plays for you, but before we jump into the newbie and beginner plays, I just want to go over some earning plays that went down today. You see HIMS, they took a beating. Wall Street is not liking the report that they put out. They are down $10. So they went from 51 closing to 42. Another one that we follow, TEM, they went from 69.55 to $61. So guys, we'll see how the market plays with those and how they manipulate them in aftermarket and pre-market sessions. And before the market open, I'll throw some updates on there, and let's try to knock those out of the ballpark come 9:30 in the morning. So newbies, beginners, where y'all at? I got a couple for you. Palantir is going to be the first one we throw on the charts. So with Palantir, you see they're sitting at 88.10. They have been getting beat down. So they are under key areas. You see, this would have been a key area at 89.30. So if you are a bull, you need to see them get back up above this area in here. We just going to say 90.60. They can do that. The next level up that they're going to try to run this thing up is going to be this middle in here at 92.80. Next level after that is going to be 94.20. We'll handle in real time if they get higher than that. On the downside, they are in trouble. They're sitting at 88.20. On the downside, you want to see them open up at 87.90 or lower. If they can do that, they're going to slowly start trying to push this thing all the way back down to this level down here at 81.60. We'll handle Palantir in real time once they start taking out these areas right here. But man, it's going to be a rough day for Palantir if they don't get back above this area up in there. So next ticker up, guys, we're going to put CAVA on there. They have earnings tomorrow. If you played the earnings play that I put out in Sunday's video, you made money in those plays. TEM, HIMS, both of those plays ran up today. And if you was able to get into those plays at the breaks that I threw out, you made money today. So here's another one that have earnings at closing tomorrow. So let's see what they are about, and maybe you can catch some run up in this play. But again, guys, if you holding on, I've seen a lot of people saying that they're thinking about holding on to TEM and HIMS. If you're going to do that, just understand the assignment, know what you're dealing with, know what the outcome may be if you're wrong. If you're wrong, you're going to get smoked instantly. So you don't want to do that. And if you are going to do that, take out the profit that you had in that play in the intraday session. If you got 10 contracts, sell 8 of them, let 2 of them explore the unknown. Never let the rest of those, never let the whole 10 battle earnings, because if it don't go your way, man, it's going to be a sad day, but it could be a sad week because it will smoke you fast. So with this one right here, they're sitting at 104. Even if you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than this 104.40. They can open higher than 104.40. You want to see them take out this stuff right here. Next level up is going to be 104.80. You got these little tops right here at 105.10. This is the area you want to see them break. After they get past 105.10, you got this level at 106.30. Next level after that, boom, you got 107.50 on deck. They break through that. You got these tops right here at 108.90. And you want to see this one. If they really get the boom, and you want to see 109.75 get taken out, they can take out that. Watch this. Boom. You got 112.50 on deck. So you never know what earnings is going to be. If it's favorable, man, they can even go higher than that. We could be looking at come Wednesday morning at 118, approaching 120 in this ticker. So I'll keep my eye on it and I'll update it throughout the session. On the downside, what you want to see is these bottoms get taken out. You want to see them open lower than 103.10. If they can do that, next level down is going to be this stuff down in here at 102.90, and then boom, you got 101.40 on deck. That'll be a heavy level. If they get to that point right there, expect some type of double bottom and for them to react and boost it back up. So there you go in that one. Last but not least, we're going to throw ticker symbol LMND, lemonade, on there. They have earnings tomorrow as well at closing. What you want to see in this one right here, they're sitting at 34.65. You want to see them open higher than this area right here, 34.95. If they can do that right there, they're going to start trying to run this thing up. You got 35.30 on deck. Next level up is going to be these little middle areas right here at 35.70, and then boom, you got 36.10 on deck and route to 36.60. They can break through that, they're going to start running up, and if they have a good favorable earnings, they can really get to going. They can boom this thing back up to 39.40 bucks. On the downside, what you want to see is this middle right here. You want to see them open lower than 34.40. If they can do that, next level down is going to be 34.10. They break that right there, they coming back down to this stuff in here, 33.70 and 33.40 and so forth, all the way until they get back down to this stuff down here at $32. So we'll handle that one in real time tomorrow once they start taking out those levels. Big baller shot callers, where y'all at? We got a couple for y'all right out of the gate. You already know we got Nvidia. They report earnings Wednesday at closing. They're sitting at 130.40 right now. If you are a bull, you want to see them get back up to this area right in here at 131.30. If they can do that, they're going to start running back up to this middle, 132.05, and then boom, you got 133.10 and so forth until they get back up to this stuff in here at 135.05. Don't rule out, I know you see a lot of red on here, don't rule out the bulls smacking this thing back up to this area up in here, 135 or if not higher, to get that surge before earnings. But on the downside, what you want to see them open lower than 130.10. They can do that right there. Boom, they got that, puts 128.35 on the table. Next level down is going to be 127 even. They break through that, it's going to be a long day in Nvidia if you stuck in calls. So there you go with Nvidia. Next ticker up is going to be the SPY. They're sitting at 597.30, and you see they're at a crucial area right here. You see this bottom right here. They can potentially start running back up. If you are a bull, you want to see them open higher than 597.60. They can do that right there. Next level up is going to be this stuff at 598.70, and then boom, you got 600.80 on deck. Next level up is going to be these tops right here at 601.70 before they try to boom it back up to the higher stuff. On the downside, you want to see them clear these bottoms at 596.50. If they can clear those levels, let's just say 596.45. If they can clear that, next level down is going to be this stuff in here at 594.15, and then boom, you got 591.95 on deck. Next ticker up is going to be Tesla. With Tesla, they are sitting at 327.70. Guys, we had fun in this play today. Shout out to you guys that was able to catch this play and make money on here. We killed this play on the downside, and guys, you know we killed it riding it back up. So if you are a bear, what you want to see them open lower than this bottom right here at 324.85. If they can do that right there, they're going to start trying to pour this down. You can put 321 on the table and lower. 319 would be next. On the upside, you want to see them recover this area right in here at 330.80. If they can do that right there, next level up is going to be these middles right here at 333.50. And then you got this little area of interest at 334.50. As you see, they played in this area right here, and that was the make or break. If they went under that area right there, they were coming down. They they hit that area, got rejected, they came back down. So that's going to be a key area. If they break it above it, it's going to be bullish. We'll put 336.50 on the table. The next level after that would be 337.50. Then you got the tops right here at 338.72 before they try to explode this thing. So there you go. And Tesla. All right, guys, this is a part of the video where we want to show some love, and we're going to do a little different this time. I know we always show love on the ones that showing the profits and the losses, but we're going to do a little different this time. We're going to show some love on Marie B for spotting the double top in Tesla today. Marie B hit me and said, D-Fresh, is that a double top forming on the 5-minute time frame in Tesla right now, meaning it's going to be bearish again? I replied back and said, potentially, I see it invalid with bulls holding above 338.90. If they can't take it out, bears will pounce. So shout out to you from being able to see that play setting up. And hey, man, I'm not getting into that play right there because I know what's ready to happen. It's ready to go down. So I know I'm not going to buy calls. Man, guys, identifying candlestick formations can make you a lot of money. And check this part out. It can save you a lot of money. And why I say it can save you a lot of money, because, you know, if you bullish and you see Tesla done went up $3-4, you anxious, you want to get into that play. When you're able to spot these formations, you can say, man, yeah, Tesla running up $3-4, but man, I see a double top on the horizon. I ain't messing with that play right there. It's saving you money from making a decision that's going to end up coming down. Because if we go back to the charts, we see what Tesla did after that. We recognize the double top right here. They were unable to break 338.90. They came back over here. They was unable to break through 338.90. And what happens again? They was unable to break through 338.90. Boom, a $10 drop. So again, champagne bottles in the air for you for being able to see that play and understand what was going on. I am super duper proud of you guys. For everybody else that's watching that's saying, hey, what's a double top? A double top simply means it's an area where price was at before. Now it's at that same area. Neither time are they able to get past that level, meaning a short term, it's a bearish pattern. A short term reversal is in the works. Why I say a short term is because I play in the 5-minute time frame, which means once you see profit, you take profit because it's short term. This play can turn around easy and go back up to the upside. So a little tip, Fresh gonna give you a tip. Get your pens and paper out. If you want to maximize a play longer, go to the 15-minute time frame, go to the 30-minute time frame, go to the 45-minute time frame, the 4-hour, the hour time frame. Spot these same setups. Spot the M, the W, the double top, the double bottom, the tweezer tops, the tweezer bottoms. You spot those plays in the higher time frame, you probably gonna make more money than you would have made spotting it in the 5-minute time frame, because those plays are gonna last a little longer to the downside or to the upside. So pay attention. Just paper trade it in tomorrow's session or the next session. Spot that W or that double top and say, I think that that's a double top. Let me paper trade this and see what the results would be. And you're gonna see, man, candlestick formations is real and it's easy. All you got to do is pay attention to it. Study the candlestick formations. You don't need EMAs. You don't need none of that other stuff on your chart, and you can still make good money off that setup. If I didn't have no EMAs, no trend lines or nothing, and I just spotted that double top right there, that's almost a $10 play to the downside. So today was fun. I hope everybody enjoyed the lesson. For you guys that's watching that's not in the Discord, get in the Discord. That way you got access to my full list of morning call outs as well as the technical analysis breakdowns on the top plays throughout the session. Pick one of these plays on here. Every one of them was bangers. We knocked them out of the ballpark. HIMS, that was a banger. TEM, that was a banger. Palantir went crazy to the downside. Tesla went even crazier to the downside. Guys, we knocking them out of the ballpark. It don't matter what it is. We teaching and training. If you look at that double top formation, we put that one out there. The first top, the second top, and we already know the rest, what Tesla did after that. Guys, I done took enough of your time, but hey, if you like sniper tight, level to level, periodic breakdowns of your favorite tickers, SPY, Nvidia, Tesla, Palantir, Hut, Hood, Nike. Go ahead and tap into the Discord. The link is in the description above. If you like this kind of content, do me a favor. Go ahead and hit that like button below. Subscribe to the channel. That way, anytime we drop a video, you get the notification. And as always, we're grinding. Good luck out there, and let's get it. Boom.